Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here bringing you another product reveal with the St. Patrick's Day Slimline paper pack. This paper pack has 30 single-sided sheets in it. They measure 8.5 inches long by 3.5 inches wide, and you're going to get 2 each of 15 designs. I'm going to do a real quick flip through of each of the patterns with you. I want you to see how stunning this is. Again, Whimsy has knocked it out of the park. Like with any paper pack, I have my favorites in the paper pack, and this is my favorite out of this pack. I love all of them, but this is my favorite. Those shamrocks look like they're just floating there, and that color combination is absolutely beautiful. So we have a really fun pattern with leprechaun hats because you cannot do St. Patty's Day without leprechaun hats or gold horseshoes for good luck. So we have your traditional greens and golds in this pack, along with some unexpected things as well, like this black wood grain. And then we have this beautiful ombre green with that lattice print in it, and then your traditional gold coins and your green shamrocks for St. Patty's Day. Next up, we have this clean and simple. This would make a really fast card with a sentiment in the center. And I just love this design. It's so clean and simple. This one here makes me think of a Celtic design, and I love the light green with the darker green design on it. We have the black with your traditional gold coins and green shamrocks. And something unexpected here, take a look at those shamrocks on that black wood grain. That is absolutely beautiful. So pretty. And we have another pattern here that would be real easy for you to create a quick and simple card. And then we have more of a traditional white with different shades of green, smaller or different sizes in those shamrocks. And then you have some that have small little hearts on the leaves, real cute. And we have that pattern again on a black background. And another traditional leprechaun hats with shamrocks and gold coins, and then another unexpected pattern with the white, green, and black wood grain. That is absolutely beautiful. So this is the new St. Patrick's Day Slimline paper pack. It is available for purchase in the Whimsy Stamps shop right now. I have some samples here I'm going to share with you real quick. For more inspiration using this paper pack, you can head over and join us on the Whimsy Stamps blog. You can join us on Instagram or on our Facebook group, Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration. The link is listed in the description box below. Until next time, take care.